Today I'm just making a quick video talking about something that is an option if you're trying to do your own maintenance at home and you don't have a hoist or anything like that. On a lot of different applications, including a car like this, an A4 with a 2-liter FTSI engine, there's a drain plug hole that doesn't have a dipstick in it. I'm sorry, dipstick hole that doesn't have a dipstick in it. It just has a plug. That's a pretty good place to put an extractor in and just do it from the top. I've done this now several times where I pulled it off from the top like this. If the drain plug looks to be in poor condition, I don't want to risk disturbing it. If you can see that it has, it's very, very rusty, or someone in the past, put the wrong one in, or whatever the case, it's just sometimes quick lube shots and stuff like that will damage the drain plug, and you don't want to disturb it. So this is a pretty good option for you, especially people that are doing all changes at home. It's just a little Harbor Freight evacuator. I think it was $100 and something. It holds 6.6 1/4 gallons and works pretty good. Using the smallest little tube, this one here, which is the only one that will fit in this, the smallest tube that this kit comes with, it'll take a very long time if you have cold oil. So it's a good idea to drive the car around until your oil is up to temperature, and then it'll go much faster. But yeah, it's just the right length where it hits the bottom of the pan. I've done this before where afterwards I pulled the drain plug and it does get all the oil out. You only have, a few drips left when you pull the oil pan after you suck this out from here. Other applications, it may not be the same. It's possible that, even if you suck it all through here and this bottoms out at the bottom of the oil pan, it's still possible, depending on the design of the oil pan, that you won't get all your oil out. So I'm not saying this is for everything, but for this application, it works pretty well. That's all. Thanks for watching.